Stick drift in PS4 controllers is a widespread issue that plagues gamers everywhere. Imagine planning that perfectly timed jump and your character just drifts to the side. And it's frustrating, but fear not. There is hope, and I'll break it down step by step. First, let's identify that stick drift is real and can ruin your gaming experience by causing unwanted movement. When you're not even touching the stick, this isn't just a random glitch. It's your joystick's fault, often due to wear and dust. Step one is easy. Power off your PS4 and remove the controller. Simple, right? You'll need to work on the controller separately. Trust me, this is crucial to avoiding further issues. Next, grab a microfiber cloth. This is no ordinary rad. It's perfect for delicate surfaces. Use it to gently clean the thumbsticks, removing any grime or dust that's accumulated. Dirt is often the real enemy here. Now, if cleaning didn't help, you may need to take your controller apart. Unscrew the screws at the back carefully. Precision is key here. No pliers or brute force should be involved. You just want to expose the inner workings. With the casing open, you'll see the mechanism behind the stick. Look for dirt or misalignment inside. It's like opening a treasure chest, but way less shiny. Keep track of where everything goes to avoid future headaches. Next, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to a Q-tip. And don't pour alcohol directly onto your controller. And just a dab, it works like magic for removing deep-set dirt and grease. This step is an unsung hero. If alcohol doesn't cut it, recalibrating your controller might be next. Plug it back into your console and hit the reset button with a tiny pin. That little button does wonders. It's like rebooting your computer. For maximum impact, consider replacing the analog stick module. This is a more advanced step requiring skills and spare parts from trusted vendors. It's unique, time-consuming, but it can restore your controller to like new condition. Pro tip, patience pays off. Alternatively, you can always try compressed air. Aim the nozzle into the joystick base and let the pressure do its trick. This method is surprisingly effective at dislodging dust particles that stick like stubborn glue. Now reassemble your controller, replacing the screws tightly. And that little step ensures no wiggling during your next gaming marathon. Everything should click back into place smoothly, leaving no room for error. Once you're all done, test your controller. Start a game, see whether the dreaded drift has vanished. If it has, you're back in business. And if not, consider professional repair before shelling out for a new controller. Stick drift might be annoying, but it's fixable with patience. And treat your controller with care, and it'll serve you well in return. It's not unlike owning a pet. Sometimes you have to get your hands dirty for everything to run smoothly.